Okay, so hey YouTube, I am going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use the website for glasses. Okay, let's start. You go to the website, VOOGUE.me.com. You look for glasses you like. I love cat eye frames, like they are my favorite in the whole wide world. Okay, let's just choose a pair of glasses. Let me choose my favorite. What are these called? Let's see, Veronica Black Eye Cat glasses. And let's see, I like the color black. Okay, so we're gonna keep going. It's a little blurry. Okay, look a little blurry. Okay, so anyway, let's keep going. So we are going to scroll up. I just skimmed through the reviews. I like how they look. Details. Okay, so under details, it tells you which prescriptions, I guess, which prescriptions best go with these glasses, view more, and it goes through, you know, yada yada. Okay, so what we are going to do, it says frame only or select lens. We're going to select lens. Oh look, these are my personal prescriptions. I'm gonna just fill it in. Okay, I know I'm single vision. It asks you your PD. Let's see what a PD is. A PD range is a pupillary distance. It's the distance in millimeters between the center of one pupil to the center of the other. The PD is needed to manufacture your eyeglasses because it determines the exact optical center of the lens, which is the point where you look through the lens. PD is especially important for manufacturing progressive lenses. I always choose 62, so that's what I chose. Now, it also tells you right here how to measure PD in blue. Oh, that's what they're ruler for, but they send you a ruler as well. I always choose 62. That's just what I chose. Okay, let's keep scrolling up. I only have a right and a left eye prescription. I don't have the cylinder, X's, or A. I don't have a prism. I never enter my birthday. You can if you want to, but I personally don't. They have all kinds. I know mine is a negative 3.00 because I got my prescription from the doctor. Now, I'm not no eye doctor. I'm not a doctor at all, but you know, I just know how to do this. So, you know, to even begin, you need the correct prescription from your doctor. A doctor. A eyeglass place. I know when I was in college, I went to this place. It was $20 for the eye exam. Now, I have insurance. I didn't pay for it this time. So, you know. Okay, so we're going to keep going. Submit prescription. We're going to confirm. I always choose this. It says to your lenses. I always choose standard eyeglass lenses. We're going to keep going. And I always choose the 1.57 mid-index. It never failed me. Okay, next. Okay, next is coating. I never choose no anti-reflect coating. I mean, you need an anti-reflect, especially if you're driving at night. Like, you don't need nothing reflecting in your glasses. Okay, that's when you have standard anti-reflective coating. I personally don't feel like it's good enough, so I keep scrolling. And I always choose between the super hydrophobic resistant is water resistant, easy to clean, anti-reflective coating, or the premium oil and fingerprint resistant anti-reflective coating. I usually choose the $9.95 option. So when I add the cart, oh. I added to cart, so we're up to $19.90. That's when I go ahead and I check out. They got coupon codes that you could put in right there. What else? They also have fast shipping. I don't want my personal information to come up on this video because I'm pretty sure I'm signed in. But they have standard shipping, which is 7 to 15 days. That's $4.99, and that's when they have 5 to 7 day shipping, which is $18.99. I usually choose the $18.99 if I need them really quick, but I usually wait them 15 days because what I have to do, and I have a lot of glasses, so usually I'm just getting glasses if I just got a new prescription or I just want some more frames. So that's how you use VoogMe.com. And now I am going to give the review on the glasses that I just got. So stay tuned to watch. Bye. Okay, so hey YouTube, I got a new package in the mail. As you know, I love glasses that has designs to it. So I ordered from one of my favorite websites. I believe it's called VoogMe.com. It's where I get all my glasses from. It's where I got these from. Oh, these are a little dirty. Let me wipe them off real quick. It's where I get like all my glasses from, all my cool frames from. These are prescription glasses. So let me start this product review. Okay, this is the box it comes in. They have upgraded their packages. It used to come in like little small brown boxes, but they done upgraded. That's the website, VoogMe.com. Okay, let's open it. Let me show my address to y'all for here. Like you're supposed to open it right here on the side. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so in this order, I only ordered 2 pair of glasses. My other package, I ordered 3. They had a really good sale December/January. So, these little bags come with it. It tells you, I don't know if you can see it. It tells you your prescription and whatever you order. Like this, I guess it's the confirmation of what you actually ordered. What else comes in here? Oh, look, they sent me a little, hold up. What is it? They sent me a, hold up. Anyway, they sent me a 10% off code. Hold up, I can straighten this camera up so you can see it good. Okay, there we go. They sent me a 10% savings card. Really cute. Whoever did this for VoogMe, like y'all really done upgraded. Okay, so these are how my glasses came. Okay, let's open this one since this one is the bigger one. Oh, let me see. Before I do, let me see what else is in this box. I don't know what this is for, but it always comes. I guess this is to measure your PD. I don't know what that's for. And they also always send a little repair kit. This is the repair your glasses in case like they get loose or they're too loose or too tight. You can loosen it up with these screws. Okay, this looks out of focus. Okay, let's see what I've ordered. Oh look, it comes, this is a really hard case right here. And that's when it comes in the little thing to wipe the glasses off to make sure they're clean. And they also put it in saran wrap, I guess, to protect the lens. So let's take that off. These are so cute. So cute. Okay, let's see how I look for them. Wow, I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy I ordered these glasses. They are so cute, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I was so sick of them red glasses, but I recently ordered 2 pair of glasses. I sat on one, and the other one I fell using the bathroom. Like, don't ask me how, but I literally fell on my face using the bathroom. I don't know what happened. But I love these glasses. They are so, oh my gosh. They look clear. Well, they are clear, but they're like a light green. Oh my god, they are so, why are they so cute? Yeah, I don't think I'm taking these glasses off. Oh my gosh. I love ordering off the internet. And this is my actual prescription too. See, the best thing about these glasses, they're prescription. Like, I don't know how much, I forgot how much I paid for these. See, they got a little ticket. I think I paid for 2 pairs of glasses. I believe this pair and the next pair I'm about to show you was $35 including shipping. But that was a sale I had got. So these are probably, I don't know how much they are normally, but I always order holidays. I hope I ain't telling y'all wrong, but I always order around the holidays. I just had to do a little bounce because it was so cute. Okay, next pair. Okay, so my next pair of glasses is coming in this little orange case, and it says Boog Me, born to be unique. Oh, I was born to be unique. They got me right. Okay, so like the first pair of glasses, it comes wrapped in the cloth that you use to actually clean the glasses. Next is saran wrap. Just take the saran wrap off. So beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I order these glasses all day, every day. I have at least, I think I'm up to like pair 8 because I like to sleep in my glasses. That's another part. I love to sleep in my glasses. I don't know why, but I usually sleep in my glasses. But these are my everyday go-to glasses. Like I said, I have about like 7 or 8, 10 pair of them. But let's see. Oh, I love them. Like, these are my like, I always have these glasses. Like, I'm not acting surprised, but I'm happy to have another pair because I was sick of the red. Like, the red glasses are cute, but I was sick of them. But these are my second pair of frames that I ordered. I love them. I don't know what they're, I think these are called some type of I think they're called Maryland cat eye glasses. Just look how beautiful they are. I'm not gonna break these glasses this time. This is a heavy, this is a very thick plastic. That's the, oh shoot. It's a very thick plastic. That's why I don't understand how I keep breaking them. Like, the plastic is so thick on these glasses, there's no reason to break them. But, you know, that's me. I don't, clumsy. I swear I got money. I don't have money like that either. So, you know, I'm about to make these $35 stretch. Okay, so I guess you're wondering, how did I get into these? Let me put on my green glasses, because those green glasses is like, let me put them on. Okay, I'm back for my TED Talk. Anyway, I got into these glasses because I was in college. I have been in college for every year since I got out of high school. And The last thing I went to school for was nursing. I didn't complete the program because I did not like it. I want to do hair, and that's what I'm gonna stick to. So anyway, and for some reason my insurance, whew, my copay with the friends was like crazy. So I started Googling, I don't know, prescription. I don't even know what I put in Google. Maybe prescription, eyewear, affordable, and a couple different websites came up. I did know that they were Chinese because of the shipping was like more than 2 weeks. So I ordered it. I have 2 other websites I order glasses from, but Vogue Me, I guess is my favorite. Like I really like them. They have really long shipping, which is I think like 15 days, and that's when you can pay the extra for the I think 5 to 7 business days, which I can wait 15 days. What am I doing? What am I doing? So anyway, so that's what I did. I am going to do another video on how to enter your information, hopefully. I'm gonna try to walk y'all through it. So this is my review on my glasses I just ordered. I love them. I'm in love. This is a very thick. Oh my god, my glasses are so freaking cute. I cannot wait to get my hair done and get dressed up, because baby, I'm a step, baby. I'm a big step, okay? Anyway, so bye YouTube. Subscribe, like, share. Oh, what did I do? Oh, don't mind my light. It's ghetto. Anyway, so subscribe, like, share. If you know a college student who needs affordable eyeglasses, if you cannot see, if you need any type of assistance or help, I don't mind helping you guys, especially if I know you, you know, if you're in the local area of Savannah, we go to church together, just ask me. I help you enter your prescription. You must have a prescription from your doctor. I'm not an eye doctor. I just know how to order glasses, okay, with your prescription in it. So if you know anybody, grandmas, anybody, please let them know about this website, VOOGUE.com, and let them order their prescription eye glasses. It comes with everything from the eye doctor. I got the anti-scratch coating. It's oil resistant, water resistant, easy to clean. I mean, I think all that was $9. Usually it's an extra, I think $30 or $40 when I went to get my glasses. So yeah, share this video. I love my glasses. I have 3 more pair of glasses coming. I can't wait to share those with you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye YouTube.